today and we are at Gatwick Airport. We're flying to MCO with BA on the 12 o'clock flight, and for once I am not going solo. I'm flying with my friend Roger, and then we're meeting our friend Kane there, and we have 3 other friends who are already out there. I'll try and introduce them as and when I remember, but if I forget, you know, I'm sure you'll get to know them through the vlogs. But yeah, it's exciting. Can't believe we're going. I've gone very extra today. I'm wearing like a matching tracksuit, which is horrendous, and I am one of those people now. It was quite easy to get to Gatwick. I just got the train. We're checked in, bags checked in. Apparently the flight is completely full without any spare seats, so that should be interesting. I'm in premium economy. It's one of my COVID pandemic hike deals, which is like £800 return. So yeah, we're gonna head through security in a moment, and I'll see you on the other side. And by the way, this is Roger.
Hi.
We're here in the BA lounge at Gatwick. We've had a few nice drinks, a bacon sandwich and a sausage sandwich. It's pretty much fully open now. It's just still a order service. You use that QR code, sorry for the mess there, to order food to your table. I'll do a quick. There's the aeroplanes. Raj is not there at the moment. He's just popped to the bathroom because we've got our gate, so we'll be heading to board shortly. And then that's it, we're going. Here is a quick look at the snacks, spirits and drinks available at the Galleries Lounge in the South Terminal. You've got your champagne, Baileys and fruit juices in the middle there. Some snacks. And then over this side you can help yourself to coffee, tea, biscuits, pastries, bottles of water and a few other bits. So yeah, it's quite a nice lounge. I think I prefer this to the Heathrow one, slightly better furnishings. Yeah. Back to the terminal. There's also a little working space that no one uses with a printer, so that's very nice. Boarded and ready to go. Premium economy, you get a little pillow, a blanket and some quite nice headphones. I've got plenty of leg room here and a footrest. Decent screen, nice view of the engine and another BA plane. So yeah, this will do me for the next 9 hours or so quite nicely. No one next to me yet, but it is a completely full flight, so we'll see who my buddy for the next 9 hours is. Oh, I didn't just leave Roger at the airport, he's in economy. We did try to upgrade him, but like I said, full flight, so I'm up here solo. Immigration and customs, and now it's time for the monorail.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of the city of Florida, you are welcome to the want to assure that the health and well-being of our top priority. Not good resident parties and tracks but all of our so happy that you're here.
Please hold on to the handrail. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the sign and baggage
You fall over, I'll pretend I don't know you. Go to the whole holiday. Let's pretend we don't know him. There's Kane over there, hiding in the bushes. That's the latest friend to join the trip. He's from Cornwall, he doesn't get out much and he gets excited by very small things. We're here. It's got the Disney resort smell we all know and love. This is the check-in desk. We've already got our rooms though, so I'm just going to head over to mine now while Raj sorts out his magic band. My room is amazing. I've got what I requested, a lovely corner room, literally right next to the main building. That is the main building there. I got lovely Mardi Gras beads, my welcome hamper, all the storage space here. I'll probably do a proper non-shocked at how good my room is room tour later on in the trip, but huge TV, huge bed, and another huge bed. There's just a little bench there, some coat hooks. You can curtain off this area. Ugh, ignore me in the mirror. Open wardrobe. Nice little desk. Sink. It's been a long day. This is the shower room. Hello, shower. So yeah, this is, I don't even know if I remember to say where I'm staying, but this is Port Orleans French Quarter, and I am so impressed. It's amazing here. Right, I need to shower and change and unpack a little bit. So I will see you soon. This resort is just so peaceful, lovely. Excuse the wind, still no wind muff on my camera, of course. Just heading to meet Raj at the boat stop. I think it's this way. This is a river. Oh, I can see a boat. Yeah, we're heading to Disney Springs to meet Kane and maybe a couple of other friends if they're there. So let's go find a Roger. Nice shorts you got there. Nice. Here's the pizza. Here's the people we don't know but sat at the same table as. Hi. They seem a bit weird. I'm gonna eat my pizza. This is Disney Springs at night. This is Kane at night. This is some of our friends at night. They're looking very nightish. Well, that was quite a whirlwind of a travel day. Yeah, I've been up for nearly 24 hours now. I think it's like 10:30 for the time here, which makes it like 2:30 or 3 in the morning in the UK. I'm in that like delirious hazy state. But yeah, it's actually been a good travel day. Just got back from Disney Springs where we met up with some of our friends, had a quick blaze pizza. They've gone off out, but we're seeing them again first thing tomorrow morning for Steakhouse 71 if they can make it. I might be feeling a bit delicate. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this travel day. I have literally no idea how much I actually filmed and whether this will be longer than like 3 minutes set to whatever music I can find on Epidemic Sound. But thanks anyway. I think going forward I'll get I think in future, I think for the rest of the trip, I'll be able to film a bit more. It's really good, you know, capturing our memories, and I think we're gonna have a lot of memories from this trip. We've got 2 weeks of fun planned with some really good friends. So for now, I am going to go to sleep because I am exhausted, but I will see you tomorrow. Good night.